Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send a voice message on X and if it's possible or not to send a voice message. So first of all, to get the updated feature, you're going to have to update your X application to its latest version. So head over to your Play Store and then here search for X. Now the main point is seeing open instead of update. If you see update, select update and update your app. Now open it, get logged into your account, then tap on messages and simply tap onto the chat or simply search for a person to whom you would like to message. Now right at this section, in my case, you can see that I do not have any voice or maybe some sound wave button just beside at this section. That means that I do not have the voice messages features yet. Even if you tap on this plus button, you will not be able to see anything related with voice chats. So what you could do instead is, you might as well wait for a while, or maybe that feature might not be available to you in your region. So guys, there's nothing you can do about it, but however, you can try using a VPN, try again and see if it changes anything. So guys, these are all the things that you can try. Thank you for watching.